This is Scott from KIG. It is August 1st, 2013. This is another one of our 5-ton Koolant Koolers air-cooled chillers, 460 volt, that we're going to do a little runoff test for. This one is serial number 32043, and we're getting ready to ship it either later this afternoon or tomorrow morning to our customer in New Jersey, along with a larger chiller that they've gotten. We're going to start by just turning our primary power on here, and the control panel lights up. What we do next is we get the power on button, and you see the blinking light there. That simply means it's on standby. The units have a temperature range of 5 degrees C to 25 degrees C. We have the water in the tank heated up a little bit over 25. That equates to about just under 80 degrees Fahrenheit. First thing we do is turn the pump on and start flowing water through the system. And we're going to change the set point by pressing set. And we're going to chill it all the way down to 5C. 5C is about 41 degrees Fahrenheit, give or take a little bit. Okay, so there's a set point there. Now, to start it, we got to turn the compressor on. Now, you'll notice when I press that, the time delay comes on. That's a built-in safety into the controller. It might take about 90 seconds for the system to kick on and start cooling. While we're doing that, we'll just talk about a few other things. That's our low pressure and high pressure switch integrated back into the controller. This is our sight glass. These use R407C, and that's what you want to see is a nice lime green sight glass to indicate that it's dry. Here is the fill for our tank. This one does actually have a level switch built in as a safety, so if the level gets too low, in addition to the visual that you see in the sight glass here, it will shut off the system. Here we have our new controller installed. The same ID tag is on the inside of the controller, and we have our contactors with overloads for the compressor, the fan, and the pump. And that's a little breaker we installed, which should be in the up position or red for on. That's a redundant breaker for the controller. The controller utilizes 220 volt single phase power. Here's our control transformer. That takes one leg of the 460 volt power, which is 280 single phase, and steps it down to the 220. So while I was talking, you heard the fan and the compressor just kick on. And we're starting to chill. It's important that you keep the side covers on all the time. This side cover and this side cover. And behind them they each have insulation running diagonally to meet up with the angle of the coils. It's important to have that seal, or else it'll go off on high pressure alarm. So I'll come back from video number 2 in a couple seconds, or in a couple minutes I should say. As you can see, we're starting to chill right now.